Hello, my dear friends, my dear family members. Hope you're all fine, doing great, and enjoying my recipes as well. Well, all those who are still not our family members, become our family members quickly by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button, okay? And you will become our YouTube channel family members, and you'll be enjoying new, tastier, healthier, organic recipes every day. And of course, besides that, we also have HR training workshops on our channel. They are free for everybody, so you will all be benefiting from those as well. And before we start off and see how semolina chips are made, something very different and my own invented recipe, and kids also like it a lot, and they can be served with a lot many things. I will tell you about that, and they're really nice. Try them, okay? Before we start off with the semolina chips, and we disclose how we are going to make semolina chips, click the subscribe button, okay? And like and share as well. Now, for semolina chips, what are we going to need? You can see in a plate I've cut a potato longitudinally, just as chips are cut, okay? And in a bowl you can see I have taken an egg, and in a petri dish there's a bit of salt that I've taken, and in the other bowl there is semolina, a little semolina. 2 to 3 tablespoons of semolina, okay? Take 3 tablespoons of semolina. And then you can see to the egg I am adding the semolina. Very simple recipe, very easy. Now I'm also adding the salt to this, and you can see salt, semolina and egg all in a bowl. And here I'm mixing them up with a fork, and then I'm whisking them with a fork. I have whisked the mixture, and the mixture looks like this. Doesn't nature give us really beautiful colors? Amazingly beautiful. When I look at the food colors while cooking, they look so beautiful. Beautiful color combinations come to us from nature. Okay, so this is the mixture that's ready for the chips being made, chips to be dipped into and made. Okay, so get this mixture ready quickly. And here I've shown you my potato. It's cut longitudinally for making the chips, and the mixture is ready. I've taken one of the potatoes and I've dipped it. As you can see, I've shown it dipping it into the semolina and egg and salt mixture. And here you can see more semolina and egg covered beautiful potato wedges. They look so nice, you know, these longitudinal potatoes. They are cut into chips, and they are into finger chips shape, and they are coated in egg and semolina and salt mixture. And in the next image you can see I have got a wok with oil. Any oil that you want to use or you use at home can be used for frying. It can be olive oil, it can be any vegetable oil, it can be soya oil, it can be canola oil, any oil, corn oil that you use normally for frying. Do use that, okay? There are no restrictions. So you can see my lone chips, the first one to drop into the oil is going in, and I have, in the next image you can see the oil has become frothy. You know why? Because of the egg, because there's a lot of egg that the chips are coated in. Because of that it becomes frothy. You don't need to worry about it. That's why I've shown it to you. There are a few chips in the oil now, another one is going in. So because there is a lot of egg, your oil can become frothy. Don't worry about it, okay? And here you can see my chips are frying in the oil. They're frying and frying and frying. and they're going to take some time. I'm going to turn and keep turning and tossing them with the help of a spatula. As you can see, I'm doing it. So you can see my semolina chips are browning now. They are getting into a beautiful golden brown color. Keep tossing, turning them. Don't let them stand. Don't stand idle. Just use your spatula and your hands and keep turning and tossing them until they become a golden brown in color, and they look so beautiful and so yummy and so inviting, don't they? See, my semolina chips are almost ready now, and I'm going to soon dish them out to eat. So now, as I told you, the chips, the semolina, yummy, delicious semolina chips are ready. They are golden brown in color, nice color, and I have taken them out onto a kitchen towel so that the excess oil in them can be absorbed by the kitchen towel. And later, if you want to serve them on another platter or something, you can put them on that platter, or if you want to serve them this way on the kitchen towel, that's also fine. You can serve them that way. So for the excess oil to be absorbed, you can do this, and they are ready to be served now for to everybody at home. If you want to serve them at home, they're ready to be served at home, to your kids and to your family members, or if you want to eat them yourself, and if you want to serve them to kids, you can serve them with juice or with a milkshake or a smoothie or anything that you like that's healthy for the kids, also that's organic also. So you can serve them that way, simply taken alone. And if you want to serve them to grown-ups, or you want to eat them yourself, you can eat them with, of course, you can also take them with juice or smoothie or any milkshake. But if you want to, you can also take them with hot chocolate or coffee or tea, and they will taste fabulous. And if you want to serve them at your hotel, the choice is yours. You can serve them there too. People will like them a lot. And besides that, these can be served with fried chicken, with fried mutton, with kebabs, different kind of kebabs, and even with fish. Okay, they will taste and look fabulous with all those things. So here is a new recipe, an ingenious recipe for you people. Try it, like, share, and do subscribe to the channel and become a part of our YouTube channel family, and enjoy new organic healthy dishes every day. I will keep bringing them for you, keep uploading them for you, and do become a family member for that to enjoy these things. And enjoy organic food yourself, give organic food to your loved ones. Stay healthy, stay happy. Cheers.